Two AI giants turning heads everywhere, but which one really delivers? On one side, we have Claude, Anthropic's thoughtful assistant. On the other, Grok, the quick-witted contender from xAI. We're putting both through real human conversations, creative tasks, tough logic puzzles, and more, to see how they stack up in accuracy, personality, and versatility. Forget the hype and fancy claims, we're getting hands-on to show you the real deal. Each test earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out ahead. Trust us, the winner may not be who you're expecting. Let's get into it. So here's the game plan. We're comparing them on intelligence and reasoning, real-time knowledge, personality and tone, safety and reliability, speed, and finally, integrations of ecosystem. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry. We'll go category by category, just like mapping out a battle strategy. Let's kick things off with intelligence and reasoning. Okay, Claude? Really good at logical step-by-step thinking. Like, if you throw a tricky puzzle or anything that needs nuanced understanding, Claude's got you. It's safer, super detailed, sometimes maybe too much, but hey, better safe than sorry. The only thing is, if you hate long explanations, it can get a tad verbose and, honestly, a bit too careful. Grok, on the other hand, is clever, especially if it's about what's trending right now. But sometimes, it'll go for a joke or a snarky comment instead of just giving you the answer snarky comment instead of just giving you the answer straight. So for raw reasoning, I gotta say, Claude takes this one. Switching over to real-time knowledge. Now, this is where Grok kind of struts its stuff. It taps right into X, so it's one of the quickest at knowing what's happening this very second. Seriously, news, memes, internet drama, you name it. Grok is probably already on it. Sometimes you get a little too much of what's trending, and not always perfectly accurate, but hey, it's live. Claude is a bit slower here. Its knowledge is mostly current until mid-2023, even if it's getting faster updates now. If you want to know what happened 5 minutes ago, Grok's the one to ask. Let's talk personality and tone. Claude is like the super friendly professional assistant you'd feel fine introducing to your boss. Thoughtful, polite, sometimes almost formal. Not really gonna crack a joke. Now Grok is all about having fun, being a little edgy, and yeah, sometimes even making you raise an eyebrow. If you want a chatbot that keeps things entertaining or just less boring, Grok's definitely the more lively one. Just beware, it doesn't always play it safe. Oh, and quick fun fact break. Did you know Grok comes from sci-fi? It actually means to understand deeply. So yeah, that name is kind of perfect if you think about it. Next up, safety and reliability. Claude wins this easily, honestly. It's designed not to veer into anything risky or unsafe, and it'll even turn down requests it thinks are a bit too touchy, maybe a little too cautious at times, sure, but at least you know where it stands. Grok will try to handle even the provocative stuff, and will tell you what it can and can't do, but moderation is still a work in progress. So if your top priority is safety, Claude's the clear choice. Alright, what about speed? Grok is impressively fast, especially with live topics. Like, if something's going viral, Grok just spits it out. It gets that edge from its live feed integration with X. Claude's no slouch, it's fast and rarely lags, but sometimes you'll get those brief slowdowns, tiny hiccups. If you want the very fastest reply possible, Grok's got you covered. Integrations and ecosystem. Claude's growing quick. It already offers API access, plugins, vision, and even team features if you want to use it at work. The only thing is they're still building out the ecosystem, so it's not massive yet. Grok is, well, glued to the X universe. Super deep integration there, but if you're not living on X, honestly, you'll probably feel boxed in. For overall versatility, I lean Claude. So if you picture all those categories mapped out, each one kind of highlighting which bot dominates which area, Claude stands solid on reasoning and reliability, while Grok visibly spikes in live knowledge and personality. You can really see each AI's vibe, side by side. Honestly, here's how I see it. Claude is your thoughtful, calculated partner. If you want accuracy, nuanced answers, or just reliability, it'll have your back. Grok is for anyone who wants the latest gossip, a spark of humor, and doesn't mind things getting a little unpredictable. In the end, Claude wins this one overall, but Grok brings something totally different if vibes and speed are what you care about. If you found this helpful, go ahead and follow for more straight up, no nonsense AI comparisons. Got more bots you want me to pit against each other? Let me